Creating ext4 partition from console. I have a volume/dev/sda1, 1.2 TB, containing an NTFS partition using 0.6 TB space. I want to make an ext4 partition in the remaining 0.6 TB space. I have not tried anything yet because I don't want to risk losing data if I hit a wrong command. I cannot use carded as I don't have GUI. Can you provide me with the correct command, or at least the right parameters for nkfs.ext4? Root at /disk l/dev/sda.
First of all, you need to create a partition, then you can make the file system. Create a new partition. This will bring up the disk menu. You should familiarize yourself with it, search for tutorials, here's one. The basic options are: if all goes well, by pressing N, you will be given the option of creating a new partition in the empty space. If the only unallocated space is the one you want to use, the default choices should be fine and you can just let disk choose. Since you want to create an ext partition, you don't need to do anything. If you wanted to create a different type, swap or NTFS or whatever, you would need to use T to change the partition type. I am mentioning this just in case. Check that your changes are what you expected by hitting P to print the partition table. If everything is okay, write the new partition table to the disk, W, and exit, Q. Now that you have your new, empty partition, you can create its file system. So, if you just created /dev/stacks, where X is the number of the partition you created, for example /dev/sda2, run this.
The syntax is mkfs.ext4 partition. An example would be mkfs.ext4/dev/sda2, where /dev/sda2 is the unformatted partition in question. You can get information about your file system by executing lsblk or lsblkfs for more information. The last two partitions are empty and have no file systems as yet.
Open